the lemon switch hits the stop, it will go as far as it needs to for its dimension and stop the machine. And lift the head back out of the cut. So it finished its cut. Now we're going to change the part so that we can notch the opposite side. Set it to how deep I want it to cut, and it will notch this piece out once it's dropped to its position. See if that was far enough. Nope. Have to reset it so that it cuts the right dimension. Once you find out the sizes you actually need, you'll know exactly how to set the height, or I should say the depth, for the setting. You will have blocks that will be the same dimension. This was just a piece of scrap I put together. Still not the right height. Again, you'll be able to set it because every block you cut will be the same. So once you set it, you'll just continue to cut every one to that dimension. I'm trying to find out where that depth line is since I didn't know the height of the block. I didn't measure any of this out. There it is. There you go, there's your finished notched piece. That's how simple it is to set up. Again, I had to move it a couple different times. You will not have to do that. Once you find your dimension on the scale, you'll find where the limit switch actually tells it where it's cut off. Then you'll know where what dimension you'll be moving it at.